Hey guys, Cece back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing some hair and makeup for my baby shower. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe and all of that good stuff. And yeah, we're gonna jump right into the hair. So for those of you who don't know, I am currently, as you guys are watching this, I am currently almost 38 weeks pregnant. And so I'm ready to pop pretty much, but this was supposed to be my baby shower a couple of weeks ago. This was my original date that was set, and because of COVID-19 I had to cancel it. But in an effort to keep my spirits up, I decided to still get dressed. I still made the menu that I had set and everything, and I just wanted to take pictures and still, you know, get my last little celebration for this baby on. So that's what I'm getting ready for here. And as you can see, I'm just combing my hair out. This is the same hair that I wore in my last lockdown glam video. This is the Julia hair, and all the info and links and everything will be down below in the description box. But I'm just using this waver that I got from Amazon. It was like 17 bucks. I'll also put this in the description box because I have been obsessed with it. It works so well, and my hair is about to look so bomb. Just wait until you see it. Waving your hair definitely takes a little more time than I would like, but the results are so beautiful and the waves last for days. And just a little more FYI on this hair, it is so bomb and soft and shiny, and it doesn't shed or tangle. I really love this hair. And I mean, it's a 24-inch Brazilian straight wig. I don't usually love straight hair because, I don't know, I like wavy hair. I'm lazy, so when I wake up I want the hair to be already waved and ready to go. But this hair is just so gorgeous. I've been rocking it for several weeks now, and I'm really happy with it. So the last step to keeping these waves intact for days is to use just any type of hair spritz. And so I used the Aussie. I had this Aussie instant freeze on hand. I used it. It works so well. Doesn't make my hair hard or anything like that. So that's what I use to keep these waves in place. And like I said, this style lasted me probably for about 4 days, and I kept this wig on and I didn't take it off at night. Alright y'all, what is up? Now that hair is complete, we did these really cute little waves here. Now we're going to focus on the face. So I'm getting ready for my baby shower, okay? It's going to be myself, the people who live in my house, plus my mom and my sisters, and that's really it. My baby shower kind of got cut down because of this whole COVID-19 stuff. So I am just going to get ready for that. I'm still going to wear the dress that I bought. I'm still going to do my hair and makeup. I'm going to decorate, and we're going to have food like other people are here because I need something to keep my spirits up right now. Okay, so we're going to get ready for that. So we're going to start with the brows. I've been using lately the Grwm baby hair brow pencil, and I'm going to start with, as usual, my brows. You guys might see some new products in this video, okay? But you guys are definitely gonna see my like glam look. All right, this is like my glam look for when I'm going somewhere and I just want to look really cute and really flawless. leave this as a super simple brow. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator right here, and it's just a potted concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline my brows. So the next step, we're actually gonna do the face first. I know this is a little different for me, but we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Primer. This is the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. I'm just gonna take that and add it to the face here. And you guys know I'm oily, so I plan on having on this makeup all day, taking some photos and stuff like that. So the next step I'm gonna do is actually take this new powder. You guys actually talked me into buying this. This is the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. I have mine in the shade number 30 Translucent 2. I'm gonna take that and I am going to add it to the face. And this powder was not cheap, let me just say, but I've used it once and I do kind of like what it looks like. So I'm just gonna add that to like the middle of my face, to my oily parts. Also gonna add it to my eyelids because my eyelids get crazy too. So I just want my face to be super, it doesn't have to look super matte, but I just want it to stay looking good, okay? And as long as you just put a thin layer on, it doesn't do anything once you put on your liquid foundation. Just make sure you put a thin layer. Don't put like a thick layer of powder on your face, all right? I'm gonna follow that up with the Fenty Beauty, what is this? The What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. And I'm just gonna add that to my skin also. I love this mist too. So next we're gonna take one of my absolute favorite foundations, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This is probably the brand that we're gonna go with for most of this video because y'all know I love it so much. But I'm just going to take some of that, and I'm also going to mix it, which I've been doing lately, with the NARS Tinted Glow Booster. I'm in the shade Medium Dark Tang Sai in the NARS, and I'm in 370 in the Fenty. And I'm just gonna mix a little bit of that Tinted Glow Booster. It makes my skin look so good, y'all. So good. And I just kind of take it and mix it together. Like I told you guys, we are doing this baby shower, and I know I haven't talked to you guys a lot on this channel about like my pregnancy. I talk a little bit about it, but mostly all the videos are on my vlog channel. So if you guys are interested and want to check it out, definitely head over there. I'll have my vlog channel linked below as always. But I'm 36 weeks the day I'm filming this, and so today was the day of my original baby shower. We had a list of, or a guest list of probably like 50 people, and like I said, now it's been cut down to my mom and my sisters, which, you know, I'm coping with and dealing with. This is my final baby, so I just wanted everything to be special and everything to be perfect, and that is obviously not how it turned out. Things are, I mean, it's just not the way I planned it, and I realized everybody's going through something, and there are people that are going through a lot more issues in the world than a canceled baby shower. I understand that, but doesn't make it any less hurtful and heartbreaking, you know what I'm saying? So I still wanted to get dressed. I still wanted to celebrate. I still wanted to do what I could, just to try to feel some sense of normalcy, because the last few weeks have not been normal at all. So I wanted to, again, just have a sense of a little bit of normalcy for these last few weeks. I'm trying to get through it. And so that's why I still wanted to kind of still have my mom here and we still celebrate a little bit. So I have a small cake coming and all that stuff, and we'll vlog the day so you guys will see it on my vlog channel. But it's been a lot. It's been a lot trying to get through all this. It just has been, okay? All right, so that foundation looks absolutely stunning right now. So I'm gonna mix two concealers. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 330, and then I'm also gonna mix the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade tan, and I'm just gonna mix those together because I love the way they look. And like I've been telling you guys, I have been on a makeup mixing kick lately, and I've just been mixing any and everything I can and loving the results, FYI. So I think I'm almost out of this Fenty concealer, and I'm gonna have to purchase another one because I love it. And this one in Too Faced is pretty brand new. So I think whenever they announce the Sephora VIB Rouge event or whatever the case, I'm gonna go ahead and just purchase a new Fenty concealer because that one's kind of old anyway. So, and it feels like it's almost gone. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these out. As you can see, they blend out so effortlessly. Like, these are two of my absolute favorite concealers in the world, and they just blend out super effortlessly. So I'm going to take that Chanel loose powder again, and we're going to go ahead and just do a little baking. And I'm actually going to leave the powder there for a little bit while we do our eyes, since I'm doing my eyes second today. We're just gonna leave some of the powder there. I have been liking this powder though. Well, I've only used it once, so today would be twice. So we'll see how it works in an all-day situation like this, but I've been kind of liking it, y'all. Been kind of liking it. All right, let's set the entire face. I'm going to use I'm trying to decide what I want to use, and I think I know. All right, I'm gonna set my entire face, and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the waterproof setting powder, and I'm also gonna use this Too Faced Turn Up the Light Soft Focus color in this little palette right here. So this gives you like a little bit of glow, and then this is gonna help keep me matte through the day. So we're just gonna mix those and use those two. All right, so here my skin is matte, but it doesn't look too matte, which is how I like to have it, okay? So let's go ahead and bronze. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty, and we're gonna use that. This is absolutely hands down one of my favorite bronzers. So we're gonna just use that to put some color back into the face. Blush, I'm going to use one of my favorite blushes. As you guys know, this is the Laura Geller Blush and Brighten in Apricot Berry. This whole thing like falls out. I just need to go ahead and buy a new one, y'all. But I don't know, it still works, so I'm still going to use it. Right now, I'm going to highlight using an old favorite. This is the Bobbi Brown Highlighting Powder in Bronze Glow. Do you guys remember when we all went crazy over this? I still have mine, and I still use it from time to time, and it is just so beautiful. Alright, let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to do something really simple. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. My dress is blue, so I'm going to keep a very simple eye look here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the shades Sienna and Rustic right here. And I'm going to add those both into my crease shade, or my crease area. Next, I'm going to take a mixture of Glistening and Fairy, which are these two shades right here, and I'm going to go ahead and add those to the lid. Told you guys it's going to be a really simple look. Next, I'm just going to do liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so the liner and lashes are on. I'm just going to wipe off whatever powder I still had under my eyes. Just going to wipe that. Make sure everything's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to apply this in my inner corner. This is the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter in Be My Sunlight. I'm just going to add that to the inner corner, something super pretty and subtle. And then we're going to do lips, and then we are all done. For an easy lip combo today that I can easily reapply and it doesn't look bad when it's like half off after I've been eating, I'm going to take the MAC lip pencil in Cork, and I'm also going to take the Bobbi Brown Crush liquid lipstick in East Coast Slay. So I'm going to use both of those, and we about to be popping. And that is it for this video. I'll make sure to insert some photos of my entire outfit so you guys can see how we look all day with the whole thing. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you stay safe, and if you're interested in purchasing any of the Julia hair, then the link will be down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.